Good morning, guys. Morning. How are you guys? Happy Thursday. Okay, so I have only three main watch today. Today is Amazon. I think I wanted to take calls this one as soon as the market opens, but it's near 134, which I have it as resistance. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that one because it's running too much already. I wanted to yeah, I wanted to play Amazon. I almost got calls yesterday because I knew the next time it was gonna touch that 131 resistance, I knew it was gonna break it because after so many times rejecting that, I knew the next time was gonna go, but that thing is already like going. Um, let's hope the market give us a pullback at least to 132 to enter there. My other watch is Nvidia and TSM. Uh, both looking very, very, very good for swing calls, but obviously we need the market to help on that move. Um, okay, main watch levels on SPY and QQQ. So yesterday after I ended the after I ended the stream, I I told you guys that I was looking for a SPY to pull back to 444. That 444 level, like I had it as resistance, gap up above that 44 level, so I was expecting a SPY to touch that level again. So right after I ended the stream, I was reviewing my trades because I always do that, and then I saw a SPY having troubles here, and I decided to take puts here because I wanted to see a SPY go back down to 444. Um, but yeah, I took puts here and then I got out here when I saw SPY. It was making a support this support pre-market support. So it kind of like it touched 444.90, 444.93. So I almost have my 444 level retest. But when I saw SPY making a base here, I added to my PayPal position because I said when I entered PayPal a few days ago, I said if PayPal goes back down to 70 or even 69, so pretty much this support here, the 69.50 support or 69 support, I was gonna look to add more. So I did added more PayPal. Also, I bought PayPal Swing for the small account. Um, I also got SQ because the same. I got SQ on my main account because just like PayPal, I told you guys that if SQ on Tuesday couldn't go all the way up till 72, 73 and fill the entire gap. I was expecting SQ to go back down and then retest this level and then go higher. So when SQ went down here to 70, I I got where's my oh wait. I don't know where's my phone. Oh, so I got where is it? 74 calls for the 28th for SQ. So I pretty much did bought SQ and PayPal. Mm, mm, mm. And SQ right now is looking amazing. So far, it's looking great. It could maybe reject this level again, the 73 level, but it's still in an overall uptrend with that inverse head and shoulder on the weekly chart that it has. So I'm expecting more and more from SQ. Um, what else? Okay, so main watch levels on SPY. Um, SPY and QQQ both are gapping up a lot, by a lot. So it's gonna be a little bit difficult for me to play calls on a SPY or QQQ, but the next strong resistance here is 450 on a SPY, and on QQQ I had 375, but it's already above that level. So I gotta go back. Oh, the next one is 380. 380 is the next one on QQQ. Yeah, 380. I hope we can, like, SPY and QQQ can give us a pullback so we can buy it at support, but it looks like it doesn't want to stop going higher. So I don't know. It's gonna be the kind of a little bit difficult for me to trade this today. Like, I think talk about how the SPY looks on the weekly. So on the weekly, it had a bull flag, and also with yesterday's move or this week move, it looks like a 3-bar play on the weekly. So, but I also can see like retesting this 444 level. So I don't think it's gonna go today. I don't think it's gonna retest that level today, but we might get it like maybe next week, and if we get it, or maybe tomorrow, I don't know. But if we get it next week or tomorrow, I'll swing Spikles definitely, because this level, damn, this level is huge. Okay, so like always, let's be patient, wait for the best entries on our plays. Spot PayPal is dying. Okay. Okay. Ooh, Nvidia is already going. So my main watch are TSM, Nvidia, and Amazon. Ooh, TSM is rejected 105, like ugly. Okay, Nvidia already gone. Too much for me to play anything here. Okay, if I see an opportunity on Amazon, I'm gonna play weeklies and next week, because with these 131 breakout, I think Amazon can move a lot, like a lot. So I'll be looking to play weeklies and next week. But right now it's fighting, like I had this 134 level here and it's kind of fighting there. Kyukyo and Spy are both looking very bullish. Okay, I'm gonna try here with Amazon, even though this is a risky one. Um, I'm getting next week 134. The 134 calls for next week. And I also want the weeklies. I'm also watching here um TSM. Yeah, I'm getting TSM next week. Let's see. No, I'm gonna get for the 28th the 110 call. Even though TSM looks a little bit weak, but I like this I like this swing trade. Yeah, SQ is doing amazing. Nvidia is very strong, but I don't think I'm gonna play Nvidia because it's already gone too much for me. And TSM, it's looking very weak. I don't like how TSM is moving here. It's rejecting that 105 level. Let's see if can hold here. This morning low. I wanna see it holding this support here. And Amazon is kind of having trouble there also. So let's see what's very strong today. Um, so Nvidia definitely SQ. Snow is flying. FedEx. AMD is very weak. Shop, it's going also. Ooh, I don't like that rejection Amazon on that 134 resistance. Let's see. Okay, so SPY is looking very strong. Amazon and TSM, the two that I picked, um, are kind of weak compared to SPY and QQQ. I don't like how weak TSM is, and also Amazon. Okay, so yeah, I wanna see TSM holding the support here, the 103, 104, 104 support here. So I wanna see it holding 104. I don't like how Amazon having so much trouble here with QQQ and SPY going higher. That's weird. Mm. You guys in anything so far or waiting? Snow calls? Let's see what's snow doing. Um, oh yeah, it's over 176. You wanna see it holding 176. 176 was your strong resistance now should act as support. So yeah, even getting an entry here, I like an entry here on snow if can hold 176. I think snow is a very good uh entry for calls holding 176. Yeah, but it also kind of weaker than SPY and QQQ, which is weird. Okay. Okay, so um let's see. TSN might stop me out. It doesn't hold the support here. CRM is flying, it's at 230. So my price target, the first one was 72. So on SQ. Then you just gotta see how it's acting to next resistance and next resistance and next resistance. It depends how far you bought your contract, how much time you have. I will hold or not. Like because I have for next week and for the 28th, I'm fine holding SQ for a little bit because I want to play that inverse head and shoulder on the weekly chart. Why is TSM so weak? I don't get it. I like it snow. Snow, it's holding that 176 support. I'm gonna get snow 177.5 for this week. My stop loss is gonna be under 176. Okay, Amazon. I like that on Amazon. Really like that on Amazon. I like that flag. So basically on snow, I'm playing this support. This support should hold. If it doesn't hold, I'm getting out. Ooh, SQ is looking great. Fill the gap and it's holding, I think it's holding above. Yeah, so SQ filled the gap and it's holding above that gap. So that gap should act now as support. So it's looking very bullish. very, very bullish. And I also like what PayPal is doing. It's going very good. Um, with this dip yesterday, I think that was a great deep buy there on PayPal. So our swings are doing way better than my day trades. TSM is looking very, very weak. I don't know why. Because I got TSM for the 28th. I'm gonna wait to see how TSM is gonna react here. Okay, I really like what Amazon is doing. Don't like what TSM and Snow are doing. So Snow needs to hold pretty much this morning low, which is around the pre-market resistance that now should act as support. So the thing is that I see QQ, well, it's kind of flagging there. Let's hope it's flagging and it's not like losing steam, because it's at yeah, we want to see this 15-minute candle holding here and going above, so that's very, very bullish. If it goes down to 376, we want to see it holding. No, I don't like pawn anymore. Well, let me see, because pawn um lost the flag, so it's completely outside the flag. So I don't think, unless it's back at the flag. No, I don't like pawn anymore. I don't see this daily candle. It's an engulfing very big candle. So yeah, you maybe had today a bounce here, maybe goes back to 247 or 244, but for me that is just a bounce after a big sell-off. So yeah, you can have a bounce here, but for me the risk to reward here is very bad. Okay, TSM, I think it's gonna, I'm gonna get out of TSM. I'm waiting to see how this candle is gonna close. If it closes like that, getting out, if kinda goes back up and give me like a bullish candle, I'm gonna still be in. Damn, I'm 65% up on SQ already with that deep buy yesterday. Oh shoot, I bought boots on snow. What the So it's a loser for me. I bought boots on snow by mistake. What the heck? So I missed that. What? Yeah, I've done that before. So I still think um yeah, snow is gonna go easy to 184. 184 is first of all 180 and then 184. With time, I think I can go back to 191. Well, well, if I see snow going back down and touch these resistance and act as a board, I'll re-enter that one. If it give me like a pullback to 178. Okay, I like what TSM is doing. Hopefully, it can break the VWAP and go back to 105 because 105 is the level that we want to see TSM holding as support. We don't want to see this rejection here. Yeah, 105 is the level. I think today is not my day. So I got Amazon. Amazon is looking very weak. It's rejecting that 134 resistance. I bought a puts on snow instead of buying calls. And I also got TSM, which is looking very weak. So today is not my day. At least I have SQ and PayPal, and both are doing great. Twilio moving nice. Finally. What is net doing? What is Oh, net is doing a 3 bar play maybe. But this bar from yesterday, this candle from yesterday is kind of too big for me to like more upside. Yeah, I'm drinking my coffee here. freaking snow boots. Like I don't know, I don't even know how that happened. I missed this perfect 176 entry on snow. PayPal is going very strong. Both PayPal and SQ. Both looking amazing. I think SQ is gonna go to 77. I know, rookie mistake. I know. No, you know, like the thing is like coffee doesn't do anything to me. I only drink coffee because I like the taste and it helps me with my cravings. But I can drink coffee at night and I sleep like a baby. Um, mm, mm, mm. Stop loss on Amazon. Under 131. I know that's a far, it's kind of far, that stop loss, but I'm fine with that. Like it depends. If you have for tomorrow expiration, that's difficult to say, but my biggest position is for the 21st, for next week. So I'm fine if Amazon goes back down to 131 and use it as support. So yeah. Holy, I'm 100% up on SQ. 100% up on SQ. And I'm 32% up on the PayPal 71 calls for 20 for the 28th. And I also got the 74 calls for the 28th, and those are 28% up. Oh yeah, I was looking coin pre-market and I completely forgot. Coin was looking, yeah, like a 3-bar play. I remember, look, yeah, definitely a 3-bar play. You want to see Coin breaking this resistance. So if Coin can break this resistance like 86 and use it as support, this resistance here, it's it's a it's a very it's very bearish. I'm sorry, bullish. You want to see Coin breaking this resistance here. So you can do two things. You can wait until coin break this resistance and use it as support, or you can enter here and have your stop loss under today's low. So you can do those two things. Yeah, I took next week on Amazon. Also, I have weekly and next week. But my biggest position on Amazon is next week. I wanted to have time for Amazon to really keep going because I think Amazon have a lot of potential to go way higher because it just broke this very strong, very strong resistance. So it was like Meta before. Meta fight the the 289 290 resistance for so long that when you broke it, it just went like straight up a lot. It's just, I think maybe the market needs a pullback. Maybe because it's been high for like It's been gapping up too much for 2 days. For me, I think it would be like perfect if SPY can go back down to 248, so we can play a break and retest here, and I can see it going up to at least 450. But I don't know if that's gonna happen today or this week. But yeah, the 44, 444 or 445 support. I would love to see SPY going back down there again. QQQ's it's having a lot of trouble here. A lot. Yeah, it's looking bearish now. So you have the 15 minute, the first 15-minute candle bullish, the next one is indecision, and now it's looking bearish. But if holds 376, it's still bullish. QQQ. Google, let's see. It's fighting there. So if Google doesn't hold this, like you want to see it holding here as support, you want to see it holding this support, but so far it looks like it's gonna reject there. Like that's the level that I've been talking about with Google. If Google is under this 123, it's 123 pretty much today's high. It's gonna be. That's bearish for me. If can hold this level as support, it's very, very bullish. Who's an SQ? SQ is looking fantastic. Like I love those inverse head and shoulder on bigger time frame with an uptrend market. It works so good. Like so good. Look at this. Your next resistance is around 77, 78. 77, 78 is the next resistance on SQ. But look the weekly. The weekly is extremely bullish. Oh yeah, Amazon is gonna go down pretty much to 131 again. Oh, AI? Yeah, maybe. Maybe you wanna see AI holding pretty much yesterday's low because that's your like it used to be yesterday's low was your resistance here and resistance and support here. So AI, yeah, it looks like a 3-bar play, definitely. But intraday looks weak, also because QQQ is going down. You want to see it for AI, you either want to see it holding here, or you want to, I will say yesterday's low. You want to see holding yesterday's low. Yeah, SQ, it's killing it. Let's see how's the small account doing, because I was, I don't remember if I got more SQ there. Um, don't remember at all. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's double already. Damn. So yeah, the small account is killing it. We are at 1,000, so it's 1111. Lucky number. It's up already more than 100%. So yeah, thanks to SQ. I think PayPal is gonna be like SQ. We just need patience here. And SQ, the SQ contract that I'm holding for next week, um, I gotta think about when I wanna sell this one, because it's for next week. So I don't wanna give I don't wanna give I don't wanna give back any profit on a pullback, but I think we still have time. Mm, yeah, I think I made what? Maybe I sell, and then with those profits, I get one more for the 28th. Maybe I do that. I don't know. But we still have 1 day and 1 week and 1 day. So far, SQ is doing great. And I do think SQ is gonna go to 77 easy. Obviously, we need the market to hold and not die, but yeah, I think SQ is it's stronger than QQQ and SPY right now. So yeah, yeah, so very, very, very good. Very, very, very good. Okay, I like this. What TSM is doing. I want to see TSM above 105. Above 105. I'm so mad that I got boots on snow. Look, I missed this play. This entry here on this pullback was like perfect. Perfect. I hate you. Well, I hate myself for that. Whatever. I don't like QQQ. I think the market is very tired. I think the market's tired. So I'm gonna get out of Amazon weeklies and ooh, well no. I'm gonna hold here. Amazon, okay, so Amazon looks very weak. I think it's gonna go back down to 131. So if QQQ loses 376, I don't know. Decisions. I just gonna hold. I'm just gonna hold and wait for the bounce. If you don't wanna lose money, get out of Amazon. The weeklies are probably gonna be down like 80% or maybe more. And okay, so yeah, SQ doing amazing. PayPal is doing okay. It's kind of doing nothing, but I like that it's just there. Like I like the daily. The daily, it's holding very good. And that dip buy yesterday was very good. Even if it goes down, back down today to 70, I think it's still a very good swing trade. Like 72 looks like it's a resistance here. It's been fighting. It's a lot of resist. It has a lot of resistance at 72. Mm, but yeah, I'm looking to play the gap field here. So patient on this one. I got my contracts are for the 28th, and I have 71 calls and 74 also. Snow. Mm-mm-mm. Next resistance around 180. You can say 180, 182. Like you have this area of resistance here. You see all these wicks, wick here, wick here, here, here. That when you have wicks at the top, that means that's resistance. Oh, what's CRM doing? Oh, the the daily looks like a rejection candle. I want to see CRM at 225. If doesn't give me 225, I'm not gonna play it because I want to see a break and retest. I want to play a break and retest of this previous high, and that's 225. Yeah, what's Nvidia doing? Nvidia is flagging, but that's another one that I want to see at 440. If it doesn't give me 440, I'm not playing it. Because also 440, 439, that's your, it's a gap fill there. But it's flagging. Nvidia is stronger than QQQ. It's flying. If you like scalping, you can scalp Amazon to 131. I don't know. I don't know if it's too late to enter Apple. I'm sorry, PayPal. I don't know. I think the best entry is at 69.50 or 70. I honestly would not say I will enter PayPal here because right now it's at resistance. So you wanna enter calls at the bottom and puts at the top. So my entry here on Amazon, I think it's bad, honestly, because I even said that I didn't like it too much because 134 was my resistance, and look how it's rejecting that. So this is what can happen to you if you enter right now on PayPal. So if you're willing to take that risk, that's fine. I would not, I don't think that's a good risk to reward entering here. If it goes down to 70, I think that's a good entry. Um, Apple. The thing is, like, I think right now, with Spice looking bearish and QQ kind of looking bearish too, so I think everything is gonna look bearish. Um, mm, mm, you wanna see Apple holding this morning low, but Apple is kind of looking like TSM. It's on their VWAP. It's in a downtrend. It's rejecting right now 90 MA. So yeah, you want to enter at the bottom, but at the bottom with bullish confirmation. This doesn't look really bullish unless it breaks VWAP. But yeah, no. SPY looks like it wants to go down at least to 446.50 around there. Yeah, and Apple's looking bearish. You want to see a break in VWAP and holding as support. Google is very strong. Yeah, it's very strong. But honestly, I will wait for Google to close the daily candle above 123, 124. And if I see it closing the daily candle with 123 as support, I will play Google tomorrow, because that way is like more than enough confirmation that Google right now is bullish. But right now it's very, very strong. Even the market's kind of weak, Google keeps going higher. So I think Google looks great. It looks great even for a swing trade. But I'm kind of scared of taking swings right now with the market so high, and it's kind of having trouble here. Even though SPY it's holding pre-market high, which that is bullish. Um, it's also rejecting a lot this, and kind of that this looks like a head and shoulder. I'm kind of thinking on scalping a put play on SPY. Mm, or Amazon. Which one should I do? Amazon, the 131 put are so cheap right now. What? Yeah, I got put 448 for tomorrow on SPY puts. It's gonna be a quick play here. Yeah, definitely looks bearish here. Okay. I'm gonna take some profits here at this low here. And yeah, because 447.80 this week here is a strong, so resistance on pre-market should act as support to it right now. Tesla is like dying. I think Tesla has a gap to fill. Don't remember. Oh, but no, that 275 keeps rejecting on Tesla. So I think Tesla is gonna go back down to 66 again. Yeah, I'm in my Amazon weekly, but I said if you don't want to lose money, don't hold those one because I think Amazon is gonna go back down to 131. But yeah, this looks like a head and shoulder to me. Let's see if it's gonna play out today. QQQ definitely looking weaker than SPY, but it keeps holding this pre-market support. So we'll see what's gonna win here, bears or bulls. I hope we can have at least a move to 446 on SPY and then bounce from there. It will be amazing if SPY can go to 444. I will get so many calls there if SPY goes to 444. So far it's doing um lower highs, and we had the head and shoulder, we have this little downtrend. So I think right now, as long as we're under VWAP and INEMA, it's bearish. Um, no, I haven't thought about it because I think I need more people on the stream. Only 100 people, that's not too much to do an event. But I think Des is gonna do one, so maybe if I'm in Miami, I'll be there. Okay, so that's bullish on SPY. Let's see if breaks this downtrend and this resistance. That would be very, very bullish. If keeps rejecting here, that's bearish. So far it looks pretty bullish. Let's see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. If it closes like this, it's very bullish. If closes under VWAP and INEMA, it's very bearish. Trading competition? No. I don't think I'm good under pressure. I want to watch Google. I want to see what Google is doing. Yeah, Google is looking very good. Very, very good. So this minute candle is gonna tell us where SPY is gonna go, because if closes bullish, holding VWAP and INEMA, that's bullish. If closes under VWAP and INEMA and keeps this downtrend, it's bearish, and I think we're gonna keep going lower. So I think this 5 minute candle is gonna tell us if SPY is gonna keep going higher or lower. Yeah, yeah, definitely. Even on the 15 minute time frame, um we're gonna know where SPY is gonna go. But maybe it's making a bull flag. Who knows? Maybe. Okay, so that's bullish. We had the 5 minutes on engulfing candle here, but QQQ it's still under VWAP. Let's see. It's still fighting there. Maybe it can be something like this. PayPal is flagging. It's making a bull flag here. It's flagging above pre-market high, which is very, very bullish for the day. Yeah, I'm getting out of those SPY puts. Definitely not my day today. At least SQ and PayPal are keeping me green. And I like this TSM play. Okay, if SPY stop me out here, I'm gonna be so mad. So mad. It looks like it's rejecting there. What the heck? Okay, so let's see how it is working. So Google is going up with SPY going down and QQQ going down. Let me tell Amazon is going down, Nvidia is going down, Meta dying. What else? Microsoft is not doing much. Tesla dead. Apple is red, but no, it's still green, but it's not doing much. AMD dead. So definitely very mixed signals here with tech. So this is telling me that Google is very, very strong. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out, but I think PayPal, I'm sorry, Spy stopped me out. But yeah, I'm out. So if you're still holding, I will wait to see how this candle is gonna close. If it close like this, that's still bearish. If it close green, it's bullish. Okay, so TSM with that ad, it's green. It's green like, oh yeah, 4% up on TSM. So I'm fine today. TSM so far is green. SQ is green. PayPal, SQ and PayPal are green by a lot. Amazon is dead. Mm, so kind of choppy. But if you see these both SPY and QQQ went back down, retouch pre-market high and bounce really hard. So that's very, very bullish. That's very, very bullish. I kind of like for calls here on the QQQ. I'm not gonna take them, but I kind of like here with a stop loss under this morning low. And same with SPY. SPY is looking stronger than QQQ. Well, snow if goes down and maybe can go down and retouch VWAP or these previous resistance now should act as support. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, you definitely like these calls here. Amazon, I don't know why it's so freaking weak. It's extremely, extremely weak. And Google is extremely strong. So yeah, tomorrow Google is my main watch for tomorrow. I want to see it, like how this daily candle is gonna close. Hopefully it's gonna close around 124 and doesn't go higher than that. I want to see it holding around 124. Anybody on those QQQ calls? Yeah, that's, oh yeah. Yeah, either that morning low or pre-market high, but it should hold that morning low because pre-market high I think is too low. So yeah, that's a good signal. But it's still these bunch of wicks. It's weird because it has Amazon has a bunch of wicks at the top and at the bottom. So yeah, it's they had this downtrend here with a bunch of wicks here and a bunch of wicks here. Maybe was wedging. I don't know. But I like what it's doing right now. So we can say something like this, maybe like this. You want to see it holding 134 as support. What was this on TSM? That's weird. What was weird? What was this? That's a weird candle. But the daily candles look, I'm sorry, these 30-minute candle looks very weird, but very, very bullish. So yeah, right now I like TSM. Like 10 minutes ago, I didn't like it. But right now, I do like TSM here. So I think the rest of the day is gonna be just very choppy. I don't see like a clear, good move. It's just going up and down, up and down without like, I don't see a clear direction for the day. I think that happens a lot when you have big gaps. So when you have the move, it's pre-market. It's kind of like I said it. It's very difficult for me to trade when you have big gaps for like 2 days. 2 days. That's yeah. I don't like trading when we have big gaps to fill. Okay, so now we're looking bearish. 310 meta. Honestly, I will not enter anything here. Don't like anything. I don't like what the market is doing. In fact, I think the market should go down. If we have if the market, I think the market should go down. I would like to see the market go down so I can feel more comfortable um playing calls at strong support. For me, look this. So this is today's this is today's move. Yeah, it looks like it's flagging, but still it's weird. And this was yesterday's move, so we maybe have a day like yesterday. I don't know, but yesterday also was flagging, and we gap up today. So I don't know. Maybe we go down, retouch yesterday high, and then we go higher. That's what happened yesterday. So we went up and then we went down, retouch support. Like 445 was yesterday's pre-market high. So maybe we do that. Maybe we go down, retouch these previous resistance, maybe acts as support, or maybe we fill the gap to 446. Who knows? Who knows? With this market like going up and down without a clear direction, I don't know. This is getting boring and Amazon is going up. So what is going on with this? Pretty boring day for me. But I'm happy if Amazon can go up and fill and hold 134. If Apple goes up and fill and holds 134, that's more than enough for me, and that's confirmation that it's bullish. I do like this Amazon Play. I just don't love it for this week. I like it honestly, I would like it more if it goes down to 131 and I will get a lot of calls there for next week. Port? What's port? Thank you. Port. But yeah, TSM, I like TSM here. Like this 30-minute candle looks great. I think we just need QQQ to go higher. Oh, the snacks I buy, I have are say the name is Legendary Fruits. Are so good. So good. Um are these ones here. Um this one. By the way, so my favorite so far is this one, the sweet roll, the cinnamon. The blueberry is also very good. The chocolate was the one that I tried yesterday, but my favorite so far is the cinnamon. And um, I was surprised with this one, with the hot fudge. That I tried that one on Tuesday, and those were so good. Loved it. And I'm not big on chocolate cookies or stuff like that, but that one was very good. The red velvet, it wasn't too good. Like it wasn't bad, but I was expecting more. But my favorite so far is this one, the hot fudge sundae. The the cinnamon pop tart is very good also, and love this one, the cinnamon roll. The wild berry is also good. So I have, so which one we're gonna eat today? I have here, I think I'm gonna do this one because this is my, well, these, the cinnamon roll and the brown sugar Pop-Tart are my favorite. So I'm gonna let you guys vote which one you want me to try. You want me to eat today? The roll or the brown sugar Pop-Tart? Oh, Amazon have earning on the 27th. Okay, so the 27th, it's still 2 weeks out, right? So yeah, I got the 28th contract because I wanted to give Amazon time for more upside, but I don't like how it's not giving more upside after breaking such a strong resistance here. Like I wanted Amazon to do exactly the same that Meta did. So I wanted a move just like this one. So I wanted Amazon to break the resistance and just go higher and higher and higher. I don't like that it's having so much trouble. Amazon should be like very strong. And especially with Prime Day yesterday or today, I don't know when it's Prime Day. But I think it was yesterday or is this week, I don't know. But I was definitely expecting way more. Yeah, TSM looking great. I know, I know. I was thinking of DM them, um, maybe send them an email for advertisement. I think I need more followers on YouTube. So, is it gonna be the brown sugar Pop Tart or the cinnamon roll? The brown sugar? So we have how many votes here? Mm, um, four. I wish I could play music here, but I can't. I can't play music on YouTube. Well, I gotta find some music that it doesn't have like copyrights. So it's gonna be the brown roll because I do wanna eat that one. So the brown roll, the cinnamon roll it is. Um, I'm gonna put it on the microwave and I'll be back. No, I'll be back in a minute. I'm back. Okay, so I put in the microwave 10 seconds, like it says here. The macros are 200 calories, 10 grams of fat, 22 grams of carbs, no sugar, and 20 grams of protein. So 200 calories is a little bit high, but at least it has 20 grams of protein and it has no sugar. Yep. This is how it looks. Front, back. That's right. This is my favorite one. So good. So, so good. Mm, mm. It tastes just like a regular cinnamon roll. Love it. Mm, 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 mm. What's no done? Oh yeah, snow definitely, yeah. Like I said, I think snow is gonna go to 184. Easy. Like this. What's Google doing? It's probably going higher. Yeah. What? Oh. Well, I wanna see TSM holding 105. I wanna see above 105 and holding 105 as support. Okay, so definitely the day today is a very, very, very choppy day. Very choppy day. I don't think the market's gonna give you any good entries here. Choppy day, so the play was to either play early morning, um, but I don't see any good place right now. Like these. Okay. So you have yesterday we have yesterday jump here a gap, and then we have today's gap. So if the market out of nowhere goes to 450, I'm gonna get puts there. 450, I'm gonna get puts there because I don't think these move um to gap up stay without any pullback, without filling the gaps, is healthy. But 450 before, yeah, around 450, I'm gonna get puts on SPY. I don't really like scalping. I can do scalps, but I don't love it. So, and Carvana, it's been very very strong the past few days. I don't know how it's looking today, but I know Carvana, it's been very very strong the past few days. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm done for the day. I don't see anything that I like. I don't like how the market is moving here. I don't think I'm gonna enter anything. It's ex the it's this is extremely choppy. No direction, no clear direction. So it's burning premium. It's stopping you out if you get puts. It's stopping you out if you get calls. So yeah, I'm done for the day. I'm gonna hold TSM. So my TSM calls are for the 28th. Those are green. Are green just a little bit, 5% only. So yeah, I'm gonna hold TSM unless it loses this 103.50. I'm gonna put an alert there. 103.50 is my stop loss on TSM. I don't have a stop loss on PayPal, so PayPal it's under 69. I will sell, but I don't think PayPal is gonna go under 69. What's the other one? And I have a lot of time. Amazon is a loser right now. I think it's gonna go down to 131, so I don't recommend holding Amazon calls because Amazon is very weak, and if the market dies, Amazon is gonna definitely die even more and stronger than the market. So I'm just gonna hold my weeklies. No, I haven't gotten anything else today on the small account. Um, so on the weeklies, those ones are down a lot. I'm not gonna sell them because I honestly don't care what happened with those one already. I have enough with SQ and PayPal. I have enough profit to cover that loser. So, but the if Amazon goes down to 131 and it holds, I'll be adding more for next week. More calls for next week. Um the small account, no, I haven't made any move on the small account. I'm just holding PayPal and SQ. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, it's still the same. I haven't bought anything. I only have $188 to buy my next yeah, to get my next play. I don't see anything that I love for this account because I only want something that is very, like very, very high probability that it's gonna go up. So yeah, maybe this account goes down today just because the market is pulling back, but the SQ is for next week, PayPal is for the 28th. Maybe I add more PayPal if goes down, maybe I add more SQ. But honestly, I don't feel like adding anything on this account because the market is, I think it needs to pull back a little bit. At least for to I want to see SPY at 444 again. I want to see a SPY retesting that previous resistance. I want to see it acted as support. So if I see a SPY going to 444, I would definitely add um something on this account. But if I don't see like a good pullback on SPY, I'm not gonna add anything here. So I'm just gonna hold what I have here. If I see TSM, if I see TSM closing above 105, probably that one is gonna be the next one for the small account, but um, I will wait to see how the daily candle closes today. So yeah, so maybe I get another play tomorrow, or if not, next week. But so the thing is, I want to see like I really like TSM for the small account if can hold 104, 105 as support. So I want to see the daily candle closing at least at 105. I want to see 105 um holding here, yeah, because 105, 105.30 is resistance on TSM. So yeah, definitely want to see it closing at 105 you or at pre-market high. So if TSM can do that, it's definitely a good one for the small account because TSM contracts are very cheap. For I also like Amazon if it can hold 134 as support. So I want to see Amazon holding this morning low, at least closing there or above this morning low. Um, I was also looking, what was the other one? DG. That's one of you mentioned, but oh look, it lost the bull flag. It maybe can bounce here because 165.50 kind of looks like support, but yeah, I don't like it anymore. Meta. Meta, honestly, Meta at 317 was a good put play, and it looks bearish to me. It's under pre-market. Well, it needs to hold this pre-market low, but it looks bearish. I think Meta, the healthy thing to do is at least pull back to 308, at least 308 or yesterday high. If it goes to yesterday high, yeah, it has a gap to fill here around 309.40. around there. So for me, Meta here, the risk to reward for calls is not too good because you have 316, this 316 resistance, 316, 317. Let's see. I think that's the 317. I think it's the gap fill on Meta. So yeah, I will definitely not take calls here. Like again, Meta could go to 317, but that's your like gap fill. So for me, a gap fill is resistance. So no, I will not take calls here on Meta unless it goes down to 300 or 3 or yesterday high here. At least 308, 309. But it looks bearish. Yeah, today intraday looks definitely bearish. It's under VWAP and under this pre-market low here. So yeah. What else? I think that's it. So and we're closing the stream with the small account at 1,000, a little bit higher than 1,000, but yeah, it's doing very good. So yeah, that's it. What else? I think I'm done. So, uh, anything else? No. So, see you guys tomorrow.